What's up guys, Tector here. With this video we're going to take a look at the BW-AS3. So this is a little bit expensive speaker from Blitzwolf. You can also see it on the packaging. It's a little bit better built overall. It has 20 watts of power. No, 70 watts of power. Sorry, I have read it wrong. So the other speaker I have from Blitzwolf, the wooden one. So on the box it's rated at, let me see, 20 watts. So that one was 20 watts. And to be honest, not bad. It just isn't like a beast to call it like that. But it sounds very warm, very pretty decent. So this one is a little bit expensive. The packaging looks a little bit better and of course it has more power. So it has a little bit fold here on the box. So let's see if we can open it up. Always pretty hard to get a beginning. Yeah, there it is. So that's already like giving the experience that it's a little bit expensive, a little bit more thought product. So you can also see it has to be opened differently, I think. Let me see. Alright, it still has some tapes on it. I'll take my car keys, my normal key, but I have a car key for my new car now. So yeah, that one is loose, and that one is also loose, I believe. No, not yet. So the packaging is already better than the other one that I have from Banggood. And of course the price is also bigger from this one. So I also expect a little bit more from it. Yeah, now the tape is loose. So let's try to open it up. Alright, it's not closed. Alright, nothing inside. And again, the papers, some user manual and some warranty guides. Let me see how the power is. Model 70 watt power, 12,000 milliamp battery, already a lot more, and can play up to 20 hours, but they're really smart. They say 50% volume. I also find it actually better, like brands like JBL or Sony, they say like, yeah, our products can do 24 hours or 50 hours, but the problem is in real life they only get that kind of rates on 40-50% volume. So let's take the speaker out. Alright, it's pretty heavy and it does look a lot like an Apple HomePod, for example, something like that. So also charge included, but this one has USB Type-C. So the other speaker I've tried from Banggood didn't have USB Type-C. Make sure to check out that video also, that's a video before this one, and it has an auxiliary cable. So let's put the packaging away. Make some space for this big guy, because it's definitely big compared to the other one. This is the other one, of course I tried from Blitzwolf, also big, but this one is pretty big for 360 speaker, let's be honest. Let's take it upside. Alright. So now, how do we start it? You know what, I will take the manual. Let me see how we get this baby started. So, let's see. 11. Oh, on the back there has to be a powering. Ah, here it is. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, that looks pretty good. Like here's the volume, you see how loud it goes. Alright, it's pretty good. And the C chip. Okay, pairing, you can pair two, I believe. Microphone, play, pause. Logo. Alright. I will pair up with the speaker. I will pair up my phone with the speaker to see, of course, how it works and how it sounds. By the way, on the back you have the power button here. They have done it because you can also use the speaker, for example, to keep it powered. So you can use it for in your room, USB Type-C port. Here we have rubber feet. I like that pretty good because it's rubber, so it can keep the speaker on one place, and it really works. So I will connect it and we'll do some small sound testing. Not to lose the game. No, not to lose the game. Is always see. Wait on and nothing, we're face to face. I've heard about you, you know about me. Already enough not to lose the game. The sweetest touch I've ever felt. The sweetest things I got with your kiss. Let's stay forever with this embrace. No,
please keep coming, hold me now, and I will never let you down. I said, please keep coming, hold me now, and I will keep you safe and sound. Please keep coming, hold me now, and I will never let you down. I said, please keep coming, hold me now, and I will keep you safe and sound.
So that was a short sound impression. So the good thing about the speaker, it does really do 360 sound. So it means that the speakers that are built inside, they really do try to give you the experience that the sound is the same for every side. So I turned it a little bit, so you may have seen it, and the sound still remained the same. Not muffled on some side or a little bit distorted. It sounds all the sides the same. To be honest, does it really sound like 70 watts? Not really. Like, for example, my Xiaomi Boomer is only 20 watts more power officially, and yeah, that one is much bigger sounds. But to be honest, for a 360 speaker, and also for the price, so it's around, I believe, $80 at the moment. So in euros a little bit less, so around 70 euros, maybe 75. It's not expensive. It does sound good. The build quality is, I would say, acceptable. It isn't like extremely good, but yeah, for example, this upper panel, I like that, to be honest. So you have to touch with the fingers on it, and then sometimes it shows up. And yeah, it can be shipped from Europe, so there are some Europe warehouses. So that's pretty good. I had it within, I believe, 4 days when they emailed me the tracking. So yeah, much faster. It can't really go from where I live. So yeah, to be honest, yeah, when you have this speaker, for example, this one is really for the design. So you have some wood, you have some warmer sound. And this one really has the main functionality to be 360 sound, and yeah, also has been meant to keep on one place because of the power button is being here. USB Type-C is a little bit newer than with this one, the micro USB. So yeah, but again, this one is around $40. This is about $80, and it's not that they are like extremely good for the value, but they are doing pretty good. So the design is just good. The sound is just alright. It's not like impressive, but it doesn't distort too much. It's not like some Sony speakers that don't have even any bass sometimes. I'm sorry for the Sony fans. And yeah, I just think that especially this one, it looks pretty funny and it does sound pretty good for how it has been designed. Thank you guys for watching. Also, I would like to thank everybody who have been using my links in the description. Because of that, it's possible to try out the speakers. Of course, I will make some more videos about them. For example, compare it with my Xiaomi Bomber and maybe some other speakers in the future. For now, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.